Hey everybody, this is my Beats Pill and Beats Pill Dude review. So this would be like the Beats Solo 2 review where it's be like a little unboxing, showing you guys what I got. So I paid $105, as you can see that it's missing the sleeve, there's no sleeve for it. So if you saw my unboxing, I'll link it below in the description in case you didn't. So yeah, it's got no papers in it because it was used and it was a first Beats product. And it's got the paper for it. This is the only paper. Then it came with this, which is Apple. So this is an Apple block. It's branded by Apple. Then you get Beats itself. There's another cord, but I haven't plugged in at the moment, so I can charge other stuff with it. And throw that on the side. Okay, yeah. So there's the box. And I remember on eBay, I ordered the cords, and I remember someone it came in, but I never reminded them about it. So I think the cords for it are in their basement somewhere because I never asked where they were because I forgot to. So yeah, you get your case, and the carabiner thing's broken off. As you can see, I mentioned that in my unboxing. So it's a pretty good case. So I'll put it right up there. And you get the pill speaker itself. Got a little dent on it. That's the only thing I noticed about it. Yeah, so this is the Beats Pill 2.0 for you guys that don't know. You got the Beats Pill Plus, which is the new one. This is 2.0, the old one. Okay, now the Beats Pill Dude. So this is the Beats Pill guy. As you can see, you got your hands, Beats logo on the bottom. Opening, so you put it in. It's magnetic, by the way, for those that don't know about the Beats Pill. So put the box there. The box for this is not the original one because I bought this used. So I'll turn it on. And you hear that nice little startup sound. And then when you put it on, it looks like a tongue. And then you can adjust them how you want. You can angle him if you want. Yeah, so I have Bluetooth on my phone. I'm gonna try. So just notice when I link this up, it stopped the video. So now, this would be like a sound thing for you guys who are curious about sound on it. So the Beats Pill Plus, it does not. You cannot get a Beats Pill Dude for it, and there's so many things you can get for the 2.0. This is the Pill 2.0, by the way. If I didn't, I think I mentioned that. I can't remember. So let me get out real quick to show you. And I don't have this one, but I know I've seen it for sale before. So you can buy like a thing that can go around it, and then it'll have like a thing where you can stick the carabiner, and then you can connect it to your pocket or something like that and hang it down. It's a really cool attachment. There's like so much you can do with the Beats Pill 2.0 because it's smaller than the Pill Plus. The Pill Plus is just basically close to the same as this, but it's basically take this and turn it into a cube and make it a little bit taller, I think, and you get a Beats Pill Plus. So that's what I think of it. Or at least that's what I think the size difference is because I don't know because I don't have one. I'm probably not gonna get a Beats Pill Plus, but I have a cool idea for this because I'm thinking about buying a fake Beats Pill. It's not what you think it is. It won't have to be. Won't look like it's actually a Beats. It's basically a full blown fake because it'll so for the B it'll be an F, and the ports on the back will be different. So I'm gonna I'm gonna buy that one of these days, and I'm gonna compare it to the real thing because I'm really curious because it's kind of cheap. It's not too expensive for it, and it's on. I can't remember what it's on, but I'm gonna buy it and I'll talk about it when I get it. Okay, so now I'll hit play and I'll do a sound test, and I'll link this sound below if you want to check it out. So first I'll say what it is. It's Rich the Kid type beat, and it's a random think it says random. I think it says random beat. I don't really know, or it says raindrop. I don't know. I'm using this as a sound test for it. I don't want to go too loud because the neighbors are probably going to kill me, but this thing gets loud. You know, go a little bit louder. Yeah, that's a little bit too loud. But yeah, it gets loud. My phone volume's not fully maxed for Bluetooth, but it gets freaking loud. So let me pause it. I'll pause it. So yeah, this pill can get freaking loud because you got your 2 speakers here and you got 2 more there, as you can see. So yeah, my overall review. This was my first Beats product I ever bought. I watched, like, when I was looking at buying it, I watched so many freaking Beats reviews on it, unboxings, because I knew what Beats were. I knew they were expensive, but I didn't know were they worth it. So I was kind of, should I buy it? It's used. So I'm like thinking maybe it's not a good deal because it's used. The box isn't really in that good. The box is in decent shape. It doesn't have the sleeve. It's missing most of the paperwork you get. It's got a dent in it. It doesn't have the carabiner. Like, is it worth it? So it took like 3 weeks of me debating, and I finally said, you know what? From what I saw from reviews and unboxings, it seems pretty good. So I bought it, and I've been using it pretty much ever since I got it. I really enjoy it. It hasn't really. It's only been in the box for a whole. I'm gonna say so. So downtime of me not using it, it's been sitting in the box for about maybe 3 whole weeks. The whole time I got it without using it. But so basically, other than that, it's been out of the box, in its case, sitting on my dresser, ready to be used because I would use it. And I haven't had it in the box since. I only had it in the box, I think, 3 or maybe 5 weeks of total downtime. But yeah, it's worth it. It's worth the money for the Beats Pill 2.0. I'm pretty certain they went up in value now. So yeah, I'll give you guys another look around it. That's the power off sound. Oh yeah, and you got your Bluetooth indicator. And when you're charging, this will light up red, and it'll turn solid green when it's done. You got your out, you got your in, you got a power button. You can take calls with it. You can push the button to stop playing and stuff like that. I just didn't want to hit that because it would probably end the video from me clicking it. But yeah, in my opinion, with the Beats Pill Beats Pill 2.0, it is worth the money. And with the Beats Pill Dude, you can find fake Beats Pill Dudes, I think, on eBay, just like this one. This is the real one. This isn't a fake Beats Pill Dude. But you can buy a fake one, I think, for like $15. This cost me, I think, $40 for the Beats Pill Dude and $105 used Canadian dollars, by the way, for the speaker itself. So how you tell if it's real? Real when it's fake. So you see the B right here? That's on the 2 feet right there. If it's fake, it won't have that, I don't think. I don't really know. I haven't really looked at a fake one, so I'm not really sure what the fake will have. But if it's a real, I know it will have that. But yeah, the box I got it in is basically not the original box. I don't think it's the original box. I'm not sure. Or maybe it is the original box, just missing the sleeve. Looks original to me. Almost original, it just doesn't have a sleeve for it. But yeah, that's my review on the 2.0.